So we got a transfer case for a, I believe 2007 to like a 2013 or 12 Mazda CX-9. I was not getting any four-wheel drive. Took it apart, and this is what it looks like. So it is just hammered. You can see there's just gashes everywhere on these gears. I mean, this is one you wouldn't even want to try to rebuild, just because you'd need to rebuild everything. But this is a common issue. You can get these on eBay, I think for about $600 to $700. I mean, this thing wasn't working at all. It wouldn't move at all. So you can kind of see what the issue was. I don't know what causes this. I mean, all this fluid just turned into like a kind of paste. So I don't know if that's from not changing the fluid, or this just failed and threw debris into that and made it like that. But yeah, I mean, that's what it looks like. Definitely something that you'd probably just want to replace the whole thing rather than rebuilding it. So I'm going to link in the description where you can get one of these on eBay. It's pretty inexpensive. I think they're brand new or remanufactured. So yeah, thanks for watching, and just listen to that. It's not sound good. Thanks for watching.